turn too fast, no problem. Okay, I got that done now. I'm back going. Back rolling. So I'm going to put the camera up where I had it this morning and let you guys watch as I do some tillage. Okay, how am I going to do this? Like that. I hope you guys can see it okay. We're cultivating the harrow and the vine. We got the harrows on the back. Fix that this morning. I had to pick up a couple bolts that halfway down the church. Out over the hardware store, got a couple bolts. Oh yeah. I might be asking, right over the drop on the go. Go tillage. Go back to ground. Something to keep her bell running. So I gotta leave here by about 4:15 because I gotta get there and get home as fast as I can to keep running on this. I wish I was half done. I really do. Running the cultivator shallower today than normal. Keep her burning and turning and burning, boys. As you guys can hear, the air conditioner is running in here today. Toasty out. I got the AC to work, so that's a plus. Have the air conditioning working. Right now though I am trying to get a move on to get going and get her done. There's a call for rain this weekend. Doing as heavy tillage I am. Many times I've gone over it already. Going over the drum, going low, and the ground cover's been in the longer stretches. Worked my way from the long side to the short side, I guess. I just try to get it opened up on the shorter side where you know what I'm saying. part or day 3 part technically. It started last Saturday night after I hooked up. I ran a couple rounds, did 2 rounds. And today last Sunday, my grandpa and I ran all day. If it wasn't me at the tractor last Sunday, my grandpa was. Because I had to run to the garden for him. And I really didn't realize how dry the ground was until I had to run to my grandpa's garden. I know it was dry, and I know it is dry with the wind kicking up dust. That's with the wind kicking up dust and everything, though. Dry like it is right now. We're going to be seeing a drought this year. As of right now, we're in a drought. Right now we are in a drought. Any moisture we get, it is soaked right off. There's big cracks in the ground I've seen. Years ago here, it was so dry that year. My great uncle cut this 40 acres one day, let it sit one day and then baled it. After it had sat for a day, yeah, he shrugged all the leaves. Next field he cut it one day and turned around and around belts next. That's how dry it was. Hindsight is 2020. Here we decided we were going to break up the field. Here we decided to. It's pretty much drought. You know how I was mad about that foot of snow we got, that posted that video about how I'm mad about it, yada yada yada. That was a blessing. We got a foot of snow Easter weekend. And that foot of snow is a blessing. I mean, it sucked because it was really wet. It was starting to dry out finally when I got to get in the field. Mother Nature put a stop to that really quick. Anyways, I think that's about it for this video, folks. Me doing spring tillage recording. I think this might be the only footage I'll get. This summer I'll try getting some haymaking footage. But yeah, I think that's about it. I'm running the 1566 International with the gold on with the old International cultivator behind me. again, everybody. Take care, take it easy, keep in touch. And I want to give a couple shout outs to my mom, my dad, and all my grandparents being helpful, supportive of it, of the channel and stuff. I also want to give a shout out to all my loyal subscribers. I'm hoping to get to about 1,000 by the end of the year. Let's see if we can make that happen. Anyways, that's about it for this video. Remember, be safe, be happy, spend time with family. Family is all you ever really have in life. Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out a lot. Thanks again, everybody.